God damn!
There is no fancy intro today. We are setting the record straight on what the hell it means when your dog is yawning. Greetings, my name is Max and welcome to day 21 of how to read your dog's body language until we run out of dog to look at. And today we are on the mouth again. So here's what you need to know about yawning. Yawning, of course, happens when your dog is tired, just like us. It's a function that helps cool your brain and puts you into sleepy mode. It's very natural. We know this. So if your dog has just woken up, if your dog's getting comfy and they yawn, nothing to worry about. Now, so many people have been told that when your dog yawns, they are stressed. Okay, they are uncomfortable. And to some degree, this is correct. But remember what we learned about yesterday or the day before about displacement behaviors. This doesn't always mean that we should just be saving our dog and they're going to die. This is Bailey, who was a very reactive puppy. Yes, she is only a puppy. And I was socializing her with my dog Enzo and this Rottweiler called Evie. And you'll see that there are moments when Evie stops or looks around that Bailey stops and yawns. But she's yawning in times where there's a little bit of pressure, a little bit of tension. So the yawn, just like a stretch, is a body just trying to let go of a bit of tension. That is it. I will see you tomorrow morning when we finally clear away the misinformation on tongue flicks.
God damn!